So guys, you see my more timing came out of the HTML and today's HTML video I'm telling you about that in the HTML a vertical tab. So yeah, I'm telling you about this video start to end and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future latest video out the vertical projects video for HTML. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you can see one more video has been came out the project video, and in today's project video I'm telling you about the how to build the vertical tabs in the HTML. So yeah, so let's start and let's build the vertical tabs in HTML. So let's build it. To build this, you only want to do it first of all. You open your text editor and we are using the Visual Studio Code. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. Only we click on my Visual Studio Code. So my Visual Studio Code, I'll mean open it. Now first of all, I am creating a new window, and then when I create a new window, I'm making here one file, okay, and I'm giving the file names will be index.html. Now when I do this, so I'm making this file under documents and create file and yes. We are building this project in the pure HTML, so that's why we are only creating our HTML file, not any other file. Now let's start to build it. First of all, you write the starting code of our HTML. So like this is the starting code of our HTML. Okay. In the head section, we do not write anything, so that's why I'm not defining the head section. So first of all, you define a div, and in the div you define your class, and give the class should be tab. Okay. Now here we define 3 buttons. Okay. First button name is London, second button name is Paris, and third button name is Tokyo. This is the very same project as a previous, but we are building it in the vertical only. Okay. Now only want to do it right button and then give the class, and then give the class will be tab links. Okay. And then click on it here and then give the on click, define a little bit JavaScript here like open city, give the event comma, in the single comma you write like London. Now in here give the button, give the name of a button should be London. Now copy this all code, okay, this button code, and then copy it, paste it, paste it 2 times, then erase this right here Paris, and then right here also be Paris, and then click it here and then click alt here. So now to here you can see it now to like that it's coming. Now erase it. Now right here Tokyo. Now perfect. Now all things are very good. So now let's start let's write little bit more HTML code. So for that, first of all you define a div and give the ID to your div shall be London. Okay, and London also will be in capital, must be. Okay, then you go on your CSS, so it will be difficulty then it will be then you will face a difficulty when you are writing your CSS code. So that's why I'm telling you give the else will be in capital. Okay, and then do not give the ID and class in your own. Okay, give my ID and class what I am giving. Okay, now give the class will be tab content. Now in the S3 you write here London and give the paragraph. Okay, P element is for the paragraph. I am writing here London is the capital city of England. Now perfect. Now do the same thing, like copy it and then paste it. Only want to do this is like alt press it here, then erase this all, right here Paris. Okay, then but only want to do this, you only erase it and you only right here Paris is the capital of France. Okay, now do the same thing, paste it. Now define it Tokyo and then erase this and write here Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Dot. Now here we define a CSS code. To define a CSS code, you only write here style in the HTML. So then you write your all CSS code. For now, let's start. First of all, you define here style and then define a star, and then right here give the box sizing should be border box, okay, and then dot tab give him should be float left. Now first of all save it and let me open it my documents, and in my document let me open my index.html file. So now it is looking like this, but let style it more, okay. To style it, first of all I give the float left, then width I'm giving 30%, and then height I'm giving 300 pixels. Save it and then run it. So now it is looking like this. Now here we are coming it, and enter press, overflow hidden, and then border I'm giving 1 pixels, solid hashtag ccc. Save it and edit. So now this type 1 border has been came. Now here I'm giving like background color, I'm giving hashtag f1 f1 f1. Save it and then edit. So this type of background color has been came. Now enter at center press. Now when we do this, so only want to do this dot tab button. Now let me come on it here and tab button, where I define a tab button. Okay, perfect. Now here you want to do this only right here background color. So we inherit, then float left I am giving, display block I am giving, and then border I am giving none, okay, because I do not write border, none, and then outline I am also giving him none, and then cursor I am giving him pointer, width 100%, then text align I am giving him left, padding 22 pixels, will be 16 pixels I am giving him, and then transition I am little bit adding the transition like 3.3 seconds. Save it and edit. Now perfect. Now we add a hover to our button. So let's add a hover to in it, like background color should be DDD. But we will be you see it is hovering now, but we will be change it, okay. Just wait it on whenever we write our all codes dot tab button dot active. Give the background color hashtag ccc. So now this type of background color has been came. Now enter press dot tab content, float left give, and then display none, padding at 6 pixels should be 12 pixels. Save it and run it. So now it is looking like this. Border add little bit 1 pixels, solid hashtag ccc, and then add like border left man, height give 300 pixels, width 70%. Save it and edit. So now it is looking like this. Now add a style, okay. Now to add a script, okay, script element to write in it, to write JavaScript code in it. So let's start, like function open city, write here evd comma city name, and then write here yi comma, then write here tab content comma, then here you write tab links, and then when you do this, so then you define same thing like tab content equals to document dot get element by class name. In it you write like tab content, then for I equals to 0, I greater than tab content, sorry, less than tab content dot length, then this, then I plus plus, then bracket, tab content, then I, then dot style dot display equals to none. Now it is giving me the error in here, let me show, okay. Now it is not giving me the error. Now enter press. Now you only want to do this tab links equals to document dot get by class name, tab links, write it here like for I equals to 0, I then less than, then tab links dot length, then I plus plus, and then tab links I dot class name, then right here tab links again, then right here I dot class name dot replace, and in it you write here active. Then then when you write it, so then you write here comma active, then comma, then this, enter. Now enter document dot get element by id, city name dot style dot display equals to block, then cv1 dot current target dot class name plus equals to active, then this. Now when you do this, now here our project has been built. Save it and run it. So you can see when I clicking London, London is opening, when I clicking Paris, Paris is opening, and when I clicking Tokyo, so Tokyo is opening. So like that you can build it. If you want to style it more, so only want to do this, you only write here font family, Poppins, comma, sans serif, save it and run it. So the font family has been changed, but if you want to change like black I am giving, and background color I am giving him should be red. Save it and run it. Now color I am giving him should be white. Save it and run it. Okay, let me come on it here. Like background color I give it. Now perfect. Now only want to do this, you give here like color should be white. Save it and then run it. So now color white has been came. Now here we are coming here, and then hover I am giving like black, and then I am giving him it here like, save it and then run it. Perfect. Now why it is not clicking in it? Okay, I understand why it is not clicking it. Only give him should be black. Save it and run it. Now come on it here, give the background color should be black. Save, run. Now it is looking like this. Like that you can build it. Or when we hover it, dot tap content, hover, it should be like background color should be in red and color should be in white. Save it and then run it, and then give the transition should be 0.3 seconds. Save it and then run it. Here you can see now it is looking like this. Like that you can build it very easily. Yes, or not, I am not giving him transition, I am only giving it, but I am only changing the color, like color it should be red, and then font style should be I am giving him in italic. Save it and then run it. So now it is looking like this. Okay, and then transition I give the 0.3 seconds, and now perfect. Now save it and run it. So here you can see now it is looking like this. Like that you can do it. So here you can see in today's video we build the vertical tab in HTML. So I hope you can enjoy this class. So now I'm using next class, next video I'm making like that video. So for today, goodbye.